My beloved child, why are your shoulders trembling under a weight I never asked you to carry? Why is your heart silently screaming when I am right here, standing beside you, waiting, arms open wide, ready to take every single burden that is crushing your soul? You wake up every day with a mask on your face, pretending to be strong, pretending to be okay. But I see you. I see behind the smiles. I see behind the brave face. I hear the cries you silence. I feel the storm you try to contain within. And I'm telling you now, enough. You don't have to carry it anymore. You are not alone. You were never meant to walk through this fire by yourself. I didn't choose you to break. I chose you because I knew you would rise, but only when you stop trying to rise alone. You are my chosen one. You are not forgotten. You are not invisible to me. You keep asking, Lord, do you see me? Yes, my child, I do. You keep whispering, do you even care? Yes, more than you will ever understand. You are carrying pain that is grown too familiar, fear that grips your breath, shame that chains your soul, worries that rob your sleep, and yet you hold on to it like it's yours to manage, yours to fix, yours to understand, but it was never yours to bear. I never created you to carry the weight of the world. I created you to walk with me, to lean on me, to fall into my arms when you grow weary. I see how you convince everyone you're strong, but I also see how your strength is fading. Let me speak to your soul now. You don't have to be strong for everyone. You don't have to hold it together. You don't have to keep pretending, because I am your strength. Let it go, whatever it is, the regret, the guilt, the unanswered questions, the people who walked away, the heaviness you carry from childhood, the scars you don't talk about, the fear of failure, the doubt that no one sees. Shift it all to me. You were not designed to survive by performance. You were chosen to live by grace. And my grace is not weak. It is the power that parts seas, heals wounds, moves mountains, and carries the soul that is collapsing under invisible pressure. You are not failing, my child. You are just exhausted. Because you are doing life with hands full of burdens, when I'm calling you to drop them and grab my hand, yes, you, the one who's been silently suffering, the one who's been trying to stay strong for everyone else, I didn't overlook you. I chose you. I appointed you. And I'm not asking you to be perfect. I'm asking you to be honest, to come to me just as you are. I already know the weight. I can carry you. I am not distant. I am not disappointed in you. I am not judging your pain. I am your God. I am your Father. I am your Savior. I am your strength. I am your peace. I am the one who sees when no one else does. You weren't abandoned. You were being drawn closer. That pain didn't come to destroy you. It came to reveal where you've been carrying what only I can handle. Don't you know, my chosen one? Even the tears you've cried alone were caught by me. I bottle every tear. I remember every cry. Not one has gone unseen, and not one has been wasted. Let me show you the power of surrender. Surrender isn't weakness, it's trust. Surrender is not giving up. It's handing over what was never yours to keep. Your burden is too heavy, but it is not too heavy for me. You are not failing, my child. You are just exhausted. Cast your cares upon me, for I care for you. That's not just a promise. It's my command to you, spoken in love. I don't want to see you crushed. I want to see you carried. I want to see your shoulders rest. I want to see your eyes sleep in peace again. I want to see your heart sing freely again. I want to see you rise, not in your strength, but in mine. Let me fight the battles you've been trying to win alone. Let me hold you in the nights where your soul trembles. Let me remind you who you are, not what the world says, but what I declared over you before you were born. You are not what happened to you. You are not the broken promises. You are not the addiction. You are not the failure. You are not the diagnosis. You are mine. You are not failing, my child. You are just exhausted. You belong to me, and I don't abandon my own. So now, my beloved child, here is my final call to you. Let go. Let go of what you were never meant to carry. Let go of the pain you buried so deep. Let go of the fear that wraps around your thoughts. Let go of the weight that's been crushing your chest in secret. Let go of the silence, the shame, the suffering you thought no one could ever understand. Give it to me. All of it. I'm not asking you to fix it. I am asking you to hand it over. Bring me your tired mind, your aching heart, your silent prayers, your restless nights. Bring me the weight of what you cannot explain to anyone else. I know how heavy it feels, because I've been walking beside you the entire time. I know how long you've fought, how long you've pretended, how long you've hoped and then felt nothing change. But now everything changes when you shift it to me. When you release your burden, I release my peace. When you give me your ashes, I give you beauty. When you lay your sorrow down, I lift you up. When you stop striving, I start moving. Yes, I still move mountains. Yes, I still part impossible seas. Yes, I still carry my chosen ones through valleys of shadows and bring them into light. And you, my child, are not the exception. You are the reason I speak this word today. You are not too far gone. You are not too broken. You are not too late. You are mine. And I am coming into your story now, not to watch you struggle, but to lift you out of it. This is not the end. This is the turning point. This is the moment you breathe again. This is the moment the chains fall off. This is the moment you look up and realize, I've been here the whole time, waiting for you to shift it all to me. You were never meant to carry this. Let me carry you. I am not just your God. I am your refuge, your resting place, your healing, your miracle, your father, your friend, your rescuer. I will not leave you where you are. I will take you higher. I will restore your joy. I will renew your strength. I will pour my love over every shattered place in your soul. Just shift your burden on me and watch what I do with what tried to break you. Watch how I turn your pain into purpose, your sorrow into a song, your ashes into glory. Watch how I carry you all the way home. I am waiting, my beloved. Arms open, heart ready. Shift it all to me and rest. Now is your moment. Let go of the weight. Shift your burden to the one who can carry it all. You were never meant to walk alone. God is calling you back into His arms. Don't wait. Lay it down and rise in His strength today. Time to grow. That's a special breath. Thank you for listening and welcome to my life.